It's the biggest night of the year for Irish boxing. Ready to rock and roll, just want to get in there now Saturday and hopefully get the job done. To fight in your own national stadium in front of your own people with that crowd behind you and having me family and friends there, it's amazing, like to share the experience.
Big hope, so hopefully I win. Yeah, it's a big fight for me. I've always been dreaming to be in a senior fight. I always watched this since I was a young kid and I always wanted to go to the Olympic Games, so I think this is a stepping stone going to the Olympic Games as well.
There's always a great buzz around the Elite Finals night. It's the flagship of Irish boxing, where our boxers can come together, both male and female, the very top level boxers that we have in the country, and they'll contest for all the titles on Saturday evening in the National Stadium.
Ar nói be ihe anmór an seo ihí de Sathairn agus Stad náisiúnta, de sínteach na darnathes fear an éidirn